right now, you know what I'm saying? It's been tough on me, you know what I'm saying? Not having a friend in my life. But it's okay, you know? It's good because my mom's been in my life my whole rest of my life since I was a kid all the way up to right now. So it's good to really have her in my life. And it's good to have someone that actually cares about you and checks upon you and makes sure you have everything, you know, you need. Anything you need, she's right there, you know what I'm saying? That's what a parent should be, man. That's how you know you have a good mom, literally, you know? Some moms are not like, you know, they don't give two shits about their kids, you know what I'm saying? Just like you said, have the baby. Why do you even have the baby in the first place? You don't care about your own kids. Come on now. You know, everyone has the up and downs with they, you know what I'm saying, with their parents and stuff, with stuff goes on. But you might not always get along with your parents, but you always gonna have love. You know what I'm saying? Because parents are way different than friends. Friends are, man, shit, friends go over and do all type of shit. You know what I'm saying? You will have your back type shit. You need your family to have your back. They be there for you and shit. You know, mom always there for me. You know, I need anything. Shit. That type of shit. So it's good to have definitely someone actually close like that. I mean, to you. I mean, honestly, I'm sorry that your family doesn't want to do anything. Whatever the case, they might do an awkward whatever to you. It is fucked up. I can't believe that. And you know what I'm saying? I hope things get better because honestly, I just things is that my life, kid, and he came back in my life and he left out my life. Then he came back. It was just bad. It's life. Just gotta deal with it. Keep on going, keep pushing, day by day.
You better go shit when I take you the fuck outside. It's cold, I'm sick, I have a cold, I got 4 funerals to go to this fucking weekend. Plus I have surgery, my kids have surgery.
Yeah. Pretty rough on you, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be okay though. Trust me.
I have surgery, I have chemotherapy.